How to fix Apple TV not showing up on Airplay. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To fix your Apple TV not showing up on your Airplay, make sure that you have enabled the Airplay compatible devices and make sure they are near to each other. After that, check for the latest update of the software. And if the devices are on the different Wi-Fi network, make sure they are on the same. After that, try to restart the devices that you want to use with AirPlay or screen mirroring. After that, select on the home settings by tapping on the three-dot icon. Then select speakers and TV to adjust your home setting as needed. If you are asked to enter a password on your Apple TV, go ahead and enter your password or check your Apple TV access restriction. Alternatively, you can even adjust your AirPlay password settings through it. By this way, you'll be able to fix your Apple TV not showing up on AirPlay. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.